Imagine waking up tomorrow with only $20 left. No job, no backup plan, no rich parents, just $20. And the pressure to survive. Most people would panic instantly, and that's exactly why most people stay broke. Because poverty is not only about money, it's also about psychology. A smart broke person would never spend that $20 trying to feel rich for 1 hour. No useless shopping, no temporary dopamine. Because smart people understand one thing: small money should never be consumed first. It should be multiplied first. Now here's where things become interesting. The internet changed the rules of money forever. Today, attention is more valuable than cash. One trending product, one useful skill, or one viral video can move faster than years of normal work. So instead of working endlessly for tiny income, a smart broke person looks for leverage, maybe buying a cheap undervalued item and reselling it online. Maybe using free AI tools to offer simple services. Maybe posting short-form content around trending topics. The goal isn't becoming rich overnight. The goal is creating momentum. Because once money starts moving, confidence changes, thinking changes, decisions become smarter. And that's the hidden secret most people never realize. The first $100 is usually harder than the next 1,000. Not because of money, but because most people quit before momentum begins. Poor people ask, "How much money do I have?" Smart people ask, "How many times can I multiply this?" That single mindset shift changes everything. Because wealth usually doesn't begin with a big opportunity. It begins with a small opportunity, used intelligently. And honestly, the real advantage was never the $20. It was staying calm while everyone else panicked.